Come join me on a Microlight adventure over the stunning north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. We are taking off from an airfield located in the outskirts of Ballito. From the moment we leave the ground, it's pure magic. Looking down, the Indian Ocean stretches endlessly. Every flight brings a new perspective of the beauty in the North Coast. Below us are pristine beaches, rolling hills, and the vast Indian Ocean. There's nothing quite like feeling the wind in your face while soaking in those panoramic views. It's unforgettable.